Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Go to Apache Friends.org. Hit enter. See here we have the XAMPP for Windows 8.2.12. And see here XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. It is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB or MySQL PHP Pol. Okay, so just click on XAMPP for Windows for download. Go to this tab. Wait, see download has been started. Go to downloads. See its size is 150 megabytes. See download is completed. Click on XAMPP Windows installer.exe file. Click on it. Okay, this is just a warning. Click on OK. Click on next. See, it is going to install MySQL, FileZilla, FTP server, Mercury mail server, Tomcat, Paul, and PHP admin, Webalizer, fake send mail. See, whatever the tools that have read, those are optional, but Apache and PHP are the must install components. Okay, so that's why those two are grayed out. Remaining are optional. Like if you don't want Perl, you can uncheck. If you don't want FileZilla, you can uncheck. Okay, so I want to install all, so click on next. See, this is the folder for the XAMPP. If you want to change the location, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Okay, I'm okay with the default one, so click on next. And this is the language, so I'm going with English and click on next. See, ready to install, so click on install. See, installation has been started. See, setup has finished. Installing XAMPP on your computer. Do you want to start control panel now? Yes. Okay, so keep the checkbox and click on finish. See, these are the modules. To connect to phpMyAdmin, you have to start the Apache web server. So click on start, or if you can go to start programs, go to bottom, you will have the XAMPP folder. See here we have the XAMPP folder. See here we have the XAMPP control panel. Okay, even if you close it, you can open by using this file. Both are same. Click on start. See, it is started and port number is 80. Okay, now open new tab. Go to type localhost. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to XAMPP for Windows 8.2.12. Click on phpMyAdmin. See, we got the error because MySQL not started. Go to here. Click on start MySQL. See, we have successfully started. Now reload the page. See, we are able to. Even if you go back, now click on phpMyAdmin. See, we have successfully connected. Now click, see, these are the list of the databases. So if you want to create database, click on new, then provide the database name. Then click on create. See, new database is there. We can also create database by going to query, then give the create database statement. TestDB, then click on submit query, but still it is not showing. You have to click on this refresh button or reload button. See, new database is there. Now if we go to C drive, then go to XAMPP directory, htdocs. See, here we have the index.php. Let us create a file, PHP file. Hello. Click on S. See, now before type was text document. Now type as PHP source file. Let us open it. Open any text editor like in Notepad also. Sample commands like echo this is going to print text string on the web page. Put semicolon, echo sum of two numbers, close the PHP tag, save the file. Now go to localhost, then give the PHP file name, PHP, hit enter. See, this is the output that we have given here, but see, here both the outputs are in the same line. So give the break tag, echo, close it, at the end put the semicolon, save the file, again go back, reload the page. See, we got the output in the second line. But if you stop this one, like stop Apache, try to reload this page, click on refresh button. See, we are unable to connect, site cannot be reached. Okay, go back, start it. See, once we started, see, page is loaded. Okay, so for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.